Imagine moving objects just by thinking. Imagine restoring sight to the blind without surgery, or even communicating telepathically. Sounds impossible? Think again. Neuralink is already making these sci-fi dreams a reality. But is this the next step in human evolution, or a dangerous gamble? Let's dive into the latest breakthroughs in brain-computer interfaces and the potential risks we need to consider. Founded in 2016 by Elon Musk, Neuralink is at the forefront of neuroscience and artificial intelligence integration. Their short-term goal is to help people with paralysis regain mobility and communication. The long-term vision is to connect human brains with AI for enhanced intelligence. With over $363 million in funding, Neuralink isn't just an idea, it's becoming reality faster than expected. At the core of Neuralink's technology is the Link, a tiny coin-sized implant designed to integrate seamlessly with the human brain. It is wireless and fully implantable, detecting neural activity with ultra-thin electrode threads. This allows users to control devices using only their thoughts. And this isn't just a concept. Neuralink has already implanted the device in real human patients. In January 2024, Neuralink made history by implanting the Link into Noland Arbaugh, a man paralyzed from the neck down for 8 years. Just weeks later, he was controlling a computer cursor using only his mind. This was a milestone moment for brain-computer interfaces, but it was just the beginning of what Neuralink aims to achieve. By August 2024, Neuralink had implanted a second patient who was playing video games using only their thoughts. In early 2025, a third patient demonstrated even more advanced device control. Each milestone proves Neuralink's technology isn't just an experiment, it works. Now they're taking it even further, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Then came blind sight, perhaps Neuralink's most ambitious project yet. Its goal is to restore vision to the blind by bypassing damaged optic nerves entirely. In September 2024, the FDA granted it breakthrough device status. The aim is to send signals directly to the brain's visual cortex to restore sight. If successful, this could transform millions of lives. Imagine controlling a robotic limb as effortlessly as your own hand. In November 2024, Neuralink began testing robotic limb integration. For people with paralysis, this could mean independence and mobility for the first time in years. The potential for enhancing quality of life is immense, but Neuralink's biggest challenge isn't technology, it's ethics. With great breakthroughs come great ethical concerns. Neuralink has experimented on over 1,500 animals. Is that justifiable? If your brain is connected to a computer, could it be hacked? Could Neuralink eventually influence thoughts or behavior? Neuralink's potential is undeniable, but are we prepared for the consequences that come with such advancements? Elon Musk doesn't just want to cure disabilities, he wants to merge humans with AI. Enhanced memory and learning, direct brain-to-internet connectivity, and telepathic communication are all part of his vision. He calls it a Fitbit in your skull with tiny wires. But is this the next step in human evolution or a dangerous gamble with our autonomy? Neuralink is just getting started. More human trials, advanced robotic limb control, and brain-to-brain communication research are on the horizon. The future of human-machine interaction is unfolding right now, and it's happening faster than we might have imagined. The possibilities are endless, but so are the questions we must address. Would you get a Neuralink implant if it meant controlling devices with your mind? Or do you think this technology is going too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love deep dives into future tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the future.